What's this called?
Shrek. Fire.
What made of?
Metal.
What's this called?
Sock.
What's this called?
Hook.
What's this made of?
Rock.
What's this called?
Rock.
No.
Rock.
No.
Shrek.
What's this called?
Rock.
What's this called?
Block.
What's this called?
Spell.
What color is this?
Purple.
What's that made of?
Metal.
What's this called?
Gold.
What am I doing?
Hat.
What's this made of?
Metal.
What's this called?
Plant.
What's this called?
Box.
What color?
White.
Can you touch Ophelia? Touch Ophelia. Yes, good boy. I grabbed a bird. What color?
Red.
What made of?
Metal.
What's this called?
Spell.
That's right, Bell. Good job, Apollo. There's a pistache.